Hey guys, Doug from Pine Tree Line Outdoors. Are you guys looking for a cheap, foldable, portable stove option? I may have an answer for you. This was sent to me by Amory Mountain, and we're going to have a look at it today. It comes in this little box, and it's the outdoor cooking system. And there's the stove. And as you can see, it is very small. And it just folds out. One little pin, and bam. There's your stove. It comes with 8 of these zip fuel cubes. It's 50 grams or 1.8 ounces. Obviously it's foldable, so it's extremely easy to set up, as you've seen. It's built for small pots, small pans, mugs, mess tins, but it does hold up to 10 kilograms or 353 ounces. It burns with these non-combustion deposit fuel cubes made by Zip as well, and they don't throw off any soot, and they burn nice and clean as opposed to some other ones. These cubes weigh about 26 grams or just under an ounce. They're non-toxic and they're safe for human and animal ingestion if that accidentally happens. And they should burn for about 18 to 20 minutes each. These cubes are also non-explosive. They're easy to light. You actually light the package. It can be used indoors as well as outdoors, of course, but it can be used indoors with proper ventilation. They're odorless, food safe. It's waterproof because it's inside the packaging, so you just have to whisk off any water that might be on it. Alright, so we're just going to put the tab or the cube right under there. So we're going to light this up under here, and we got 500 milliliters of water. So we're going to throw the water right on top in the mess tin, and I'm going to start my phone for boil time, and we'll see how long it takes. Just tell you a little bit more about the stove. It's heat resistant, but you should obviously allow it to cool after it's being used. Allow 3 or 4 minutes before handling. Make sure you're boiling on a safe surface. So in this case, we're on a rock. Sand would be good. Make sure you clear a spot. As far as cleaning goes, you can wipe it off in grass. You can use a damp cloth or obviously soap and water. All the edges on the stove have been rounded, so it's good for safe handling. The stove is guaranteed for 25 uses. It's made of aluminum or aluminium, and it's guaranteed for 25 uses, and it should last a lot longer if it's used properly, but you're going to get your use out of it. It won't rust because it's made of aluminum. I can already hear it starting to simmer pretty good. It's been 3 minutes so far. If you want to purchase one of these great little stoves, Amory Mountain has the kit for $19.99. For like 20 bucks, you're going to get the stove, you're going to get 8 of the fuel cubes, and you're on your way. You can buy replaceable fuel cubes. They're available at Walmart and other places. And I think you can get 8 for like under $8, under $1 each. So you can buy them a lot of different places. 10:13 is the time. We got this water boiling. Down here, I threw some stuff around, other uses, stuff you can boil up. Some chicken noodle soup, some coffee, some hot chocolate, and some freeze-dried Mountain House. The stove, it works fabulous. The smell coming off it's pretty much odorless. If there is a little bit of a smell, it's kind of a fresh smell, if like fresh laundry or something. The best way I can explain it. Basically, Your heat is concentrated inside the pyramid itself. So 1 cube gives you the boil 500 milliliters of water, which is fantastic. And moving forward, if you were cooking something bigger, you could just use more than 1 tab. You know, for 20 bucks, you're gonna get something that's light, portable, foldable, fits in your pocket, and you have all these options, you know, when you're on the trail or camping for that matter, or if you're out fishing, you wanna throw this thing in the canoe or the boat. I mean, you're out hunting, you don't have time, you're up in the tree stand, you don't have time to build a fire and stuff like that. I mean, these things are great. I can think of many uses for them. This one's fantastic. If you're on a budget, you want a cheaper option, something that's not going to throw you back 40, 50, 60, 70 bucks. It's not titanium, but it's light. It's as light as titanium, and it's going to give you plenty of uses. You're going to get a lot of value for your 20 bucks. I want to thank MRE Mountain for supplying me with the stove for review. Great company to deal with, mremountain.com. Get yourself one. Plus, if you're interested in MREs, Meals Ready to Eat rations, they have some from all kinds of countries. Thanks, guys. Have a great week. Appreciate you watching. Take care.